guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your face and body in videos on CapCut PC. So this is just disclaimer, this person doesn't need it of course, but if you want to, select the enhance button and there's one for face. You can smooth out your face here, you can remove smile lines, you can remove dark circles, brighten skin, and whiten teeth as well. Here I'll show you. It whitened her teeth. There's also facial beauty, where you can make your face look slimmer here as well, and you can also add makeup. You can also add just eyelashes if you'd like to here, or just eyeshadow, or just lipstick. And there's also one for body. Can't really, well, you can't see her legs, but there is one for body, waist, and head as well. Smooth out the hands maybe or something, or brighten it. You can do that as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.